Hello ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to another tutoring lesson. In today's video we're going to learn the Spanish numbers 1000 to 9999. Here we have the number 1000. The number 1000 is a perfect 1000. For the numbers between 1000 and 199, so 1000 through 199, we will have what's known as the same prefix to write down the number corresponding to it. So in other words, that we have the number 1256, 1789. The first word will always be that one prefix. So let me give you an example here. So 1000 will tell us that the prefix for the numbers between 1000 to 199 is mil. So you're gonna write from 1000 through 199. Any number between those two numbers will have the prefix mil, something, 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 depending on what number it is. Okay. Let's now give you some examples. If you've watched past videos, you would have known how to do the numbers or say and write the numbers between 0 and 999. With that said, I'm going to teach you right now how to write each word for the corresponding number. We're just assigned random numbers. These are from 1000 to 1999. Okay? So, for 1000, we already know that the word is mil. Okay? For 1001, the word is mil uno. MILUNO. For 1003, it's mil tres. For 1004, it's mil cuatro. For 1010, it's mil diez. For 1023, it's mil 23. 1045, it's mil 45. For 1089, it's mil 89. For 1100, it's 1100. So what do we see here? This is our prefix for the numbers between 1000 and 199. And we use that prefix right here. This is always the first words, or the first word used to describe and write each of the numbers between 1000 and 199. Now, on the right hand side, we already know that 1, as you can see here, is uno. 3 right here is tres. 4 right here is cuatro. 10 right here is diez. 23 here is 23. 45 here is 45. 89, 89. And 100 is 100. The question is, how do we know this? Because we already did the numbers from 0 to 999. So that's a concept. We just write 1000 plus a number 1. 3, 4, 10, 23, 45, 89, and 100. Now let's go to the next one. More random numbers. Alright, so on this one we're going to have 1000. We already know each one's going to be 1000. Alright, so let me write that real quick. And 1101 is actually 1101. 1102 is 1102. 1115 is 1015. 115. 1214 is 1214. 1386 is 1386. This is an E right here. 1497 is 1400. 97. Okay. 1563 is 1500. 63. 1686 is 1600. 86. Okay, so let's finish up with the last three picks first. We know that each one is going to have the first word as 1000, and then we write down the words. 1777 is 1700. 77. Okay, and then 1826 is 1826. Put an apostrophe on the E because the 26 is together. And then the last one is 1949, which is 1949. All right, so let's go back to the previous page and we'll highlight this. All this is a prefix, and we'll call this prefix. And all this are the last three numbers. 686, 686, 563, 563, 497, 497. The last three numbers are numbers that you already learned in the previous videos. Same thing over here. Last three number, first one is a prefix, And the last three numbers are the ones you learned in previous videos. 777 is 777. Alright, so this is the end of our video. You'll understand it once we go into more and more numbers from 1,000 all the way up to 9,999, so you'll understand this. But this was just a quick review, and if you like it, please like and subscribe to our video. Thank you and have a great one.